Hello students, welcome back. Today I am continuing Panda series arithmetic operations. Okay, so arithmetic operation of Pandas series. Okay, so we can perform addition, subtract, multiply, divide, remainder. Okay, so for this purpose I am taking import pandas as pd import. Okay, here I am taking list example to create two set of series. Here A. Okay, here numpy also require import numpy as np. Okay, series. Okay, here I am storing simple value 2, 4. Okay, and in B pd dot series, here I am simple storing 1, 2. Okay, and I want to display separately this panda series, print A and print B. Control S F5. So you can see this is our panda series A data and panda series B data. Okay, you can see. But today's our main motto is to addition, subtract, multiply and divide remainder using a arithmetic expression. We can use using arithmetic expression style. Okay, arithmetic expression style. Suppose print A plus B. Okay, simply A plus B. So we can say 2 plus 1. Okay, then 4 plus 2. So control S S5. You can see. So first thing is 3 means 2 plus 1. You can see 3 and 4 plus 2. You can see 6. So same thing we can perform copy, paste, paste, paste and paste. Okay. Suppose I want to minus A minus B. Okay. A multiply B. A divide B and A mod. Okay, this is a mode. Mode means it will give the remainder. Control S F5. So you can see this is addition result, this is subtraction 1 or 2. So 2 minus 1, 1, 4 minus 2, 2. This is subtraction operation. Multiplication, 2 multiply 1, 2, 4 multiply 2, output is 8. Now next is divide, 4 divide 1. Okay, 2 divide 1, output is 2 and 4 divide 2, output is 2. The last is remainder. Okay, so 2 upon 2 divide 1, so completely divide, so remainder is 0. 4 divide 2, the remainder is completely 0. So we can use using a arithmetic expression style. Okay, we can also use using numpy functions. Okay, we can also use numpy function. Simply print np dot add A comma B. We can also use this style. Okay, so copy, then paste, paste, paste and paste. Simply we can replace this add to subtract. Okay, here I am writing multiply, here I am writing divide, or here I am writing remainder. So you can see the same output, but here I am using numpy function. So numpy add, subtract, multiply and divide a remainder, because here I am using function. Here I am using, this is a expression, as we simply add two numbers, but here I am simply add two series. Okay, but here I am using function, but output of both coding will same. You can see Control S, F5. Okay, numpy here subtract, okay, so here subtract. So you can see this is addition, this is subtraction, this is multiplication, and this is divide, and this is remainder. So we can use expression style, we can also use numpy function style. Okay, other now to perform calculation with a constant value. Okay, we can also use with a constant value. Suppose print a plus 2. Okay, print b minus 3. Okay, so we can directly perform, means the panda series values is 2 plus 2 4. Okay, now second value is 4 plus 2 6. So all the value of panda series L 1 by 1 plus 2, all the value of b value is 1 and 2. So 1 minus 3 and 2 minus 3. So we can also perform a constant value or scalar function. So you can see the result 2 4. Okay, so we can see this output. B minus 3, so b is 1 minus 3, so minus 2 you can see. B second is 2, so 2 minus 3 you can see minus 1. So we can perform constant. We can also say this is a scalar value. Scalar means a single value. We can also perform all the values of A and all the values of B, 1 by 1 minus 3 and 1 by 1 plus 2 we can also perform. And we can also use this style also, print np dot add. Okay, here a comma 2, we can also use this style. It will give the same output. Np dot subtract b minus 3. Okay, we can also use this style, F5. So you can see this is our scalar output, or this is our np dot add and np dot subtract output. So we can also use expression style, or we can also use function. Okay, now other calculation operation. Okay, we can also use another style, print suppose a dot add b. Okay, print a subtract b. Okay, we can also use this style. Okay, we can directly use panda series addition and subtraction. You can see, so F5, you can see the output is means 2 plus 1 3, 4 plus 2 6. So you can see 3 and 6. So we can also use this kind of style to perform arithmetic operation, add. So we have three options. We can use a plus b, or either we can use numpy add a comma b, or we can also use print a dot add in bracket b. Okay, so we have several methods to perform a task. Okay, we can use expression style, we can use with the help of numpy function, because numpy arithmetic function also work with panda series, and we can also use simple our series style a dot add, a dot subtract, a dot multiply. In this manner we can also perform. We can also use in this style print, suppose b dot subtract a, so we can also use b minus a. Okay, in this style we can also perform, so there is no problem. So you can see here output is -1 or -2 because the value is 1 minus 2, 2 minus 4. So you can see this is output. So we can perform addition, subtraction, remainder, division and remainder operation. So we have several methods. Directly we can use expression, numpy function. Directly we a constant value will each and every value of series will addition and subtraction. We can also use constant scalar value, or we can use directly our panda series style also we can perform the task. Okay students, thank you so much.